Wala na ulan. Salamat gid.
Mayang buntag, mga besh, mga bay!
Sige, mayong agagali kay ari pa kami sa Bacolod. Eyo, among barkada diri sa Bacolod City. Kay diri kami nag-check-in isa ka Airbnb. Say hi.
Hi!
So, nag-jump rope kami sa ila sa Miyagi na adlaw, sa Liga na adlaw. Ma'am Joey.
Hi, sorry. Hello.
Gano'n ka na. Sige. So, subong nga na adlaw, sa wakas, sorry kami, maglagaw-lagaw kay wala na ulan. Salamat gid. Pila ka
Pero,
adlaw gani, kaulan gid.
Init kayo?
Init kayo. Alimuot, ginot gid. Sige, so dito kami maglagaw sa Don Salvador. Benedicto?
Don Salvador,
Benedicto. Usa ka bukid diri. Nataas gid, may isa ka waterfall pa. Kag gusto na mo magpasalamat, gusto na mo mag-shoutout sa among sponsor sa buong adlaw.
Ads and
Escar Rental. So, they provided us with one super nami gid na salakyan. So, salamat gid sa imong
I'm here. Salamat sa
So,
sponsor.
salamat to Ads and S Car Rental Services. If you're here in Bacolod, make sure to hit them up. It just makes things way easier if you have your own car. So,
Yeah, it's such a big province to get around everywhere. It's really convenient to have a car. And it keeps raining, so I'm so glad we don't have a scooter.
yes. All right, so let's go road trip. Tara. Bye.
Bye-bye!
Halong.
Bye!
Ay, mayroon kami prize sa inyo.
Your Kwan.
Bisaya. Dugay ba?
You can open it yourself. Here.
Ino na lang na.
Here. Your price share.
Okay, thank you.
Here.
Sige, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
So we have about an hour's drive ahead of us to Don Salvador Benedicto. First things first though, we had to get some macdo.
They found out potatoes.
Nah, yeah, yesterday they didn't have fries, they didn't have hash browns, and then they were like, we have some. So, road trip nata.
So remember that time that we said that we finally had some nice, bright, sunny skies? Wala na ulan. Salamat gid. Nalimot ko manuktok sa kahoy. So ako gin-jinx ng adlaw. So I have no idea what we're gonna do, but we're gonna send it.
There's lightning and there's thunder. And apparently in Bacolod, something about giving eggs to the nuns for rain, maybe? No, like chicken eggs. Or if you don't want to give them too much work, then you can just give them leche flan. And then that has something to do with either stopping the rain or bringing the rain. But either way, we need to stop the rain. So let's give eggs to nuns.
Busog.
Okay, we have to drive safely. Bye!
So there's no view of the waterfall right now because it's super cloudy. So we're gonna get some piña. Because everyone says it's the best. Bakal. Bakal. Yapon. Pila ang piña ninyo? Pila? 10? 100. Pwede ka mo mag-cut dire?
Hindi ko ba nang mag-balik?
Mara ka ko dire?
Ara.
Ara? Kapalo sila mag...
I know how.
Yoga? Mag-kutsilyo
know.
ka? Kami na lang.
I can do it.
I forgot. See, Zoe, she was a fruit cutter back in her day at Sofitel Hotel. So she can cut our fruit. It's only 100 pesos. And diri ko no ang pinakanamit sa tanan, diri sa Occidental. So we're gonna try that, and we'll let you know. Sulot. Ika-ulan man. It smells good. It smells like the Dole Plantation in Hawaii.
Hawaii?
Hawaii.
Hawaii, okay, Britman.
Hello.
Hi.
Tagpila?
Anong 4,100. Ay, may 3,100 man da.
Handa ko 3 for 100.
Are, 3 for 100.
Kung isa?
40. 40 ang, dami 35 eh.
35.
Well,
Yeah,
I
'cause
just
we don't
want
need 3, right?
No.
Adi, isa lang.
I can cut it.
Uh,
Or
Yeah.
you can cut it. I can cut it.
Let's see Zoe. Pwede siya maraka kutsilyo?
Dito mo dati. Wala din si mama, wala ka bala ako ma'am, pero hindi lang din mayo.
Kapalo man siya? Okay.
Hindi lang ma'am, ikaw lang?
Oo.
Sure?
Sagad man eh.
Sagad.
Yang obra sang muna. Pressure ha. Dapat gwapa gid ang itsura sa
Can't
kanya.
you go up?
Pares kay ma'am.
Please kay ma'am.
Thank you.
Kabalo ka ma'am?
Kabalo. Wow. Sagad ba?
What's sagad?
Maayo. Listo. Hawod. Ang galing. Hindi ka palang magilonggo. Bisaya man eh.
Bisaya.
Do you have a plate, plato?
Tinggan. Kami lang bahala sa pinya. Pakala ka mo. Looks nice. Do we want to eat now?
Yeah, you have a plate here.
Yeah, diri lang. Okay lang. Sampay kay ulan man.
Wow, fresh.
Te, kanambal mo?
Namigid.
Namigid? Namigid sa tanan? Nalipat ka na sa imong ngalan? Sa kanamit?
I should have written my name down. It's not my best work, but usually I trim it up into nice little pieces, but I got one plate. It's really hard. But here you go.
Pa isa?
Okay lang, okay lang.
Para snacks ta? Snacks lang?
Tao na kami mo.
I'll give it a go.
It's juicy.
That's nice.
It's all in the cutting, right?
Very juicy. Very soft. I don't know why I thought it was gonna be medyo gahit. Tiga, but it's actually humok. Halin ni siya sa farm ninyo?
Hindi sir, di kumpara na imama.
Din halin.
Sa dra lang oh.
Dili gapon sa bukid?
Oh.
Sa taas. So it's actually not 100 pesos. The small ones are 4 for 100, and the big ones are 3 for 100. Or one is 35. Which is less than $1. Actually, it's like
It's one Aussie.
almost 50 cents. 60 cents.
Facts.
By Ma'am Joey.
Did you know that pineapple is so acidic that if you would like to tenderize meat, like steak or whatever, you can put it with pineapple and leave it for a little while, and the pineapple will like tenderize the meat. It will also make it taste pineapple-y. But there you go. Also kiwi fruit. You could dissolve an entire human body. So we're at the viewpoint for, I can't remember the name of the waterfall, but the waterfall here in Don Salvador Benedicto. And there's no view. We're in the clouds. We're in the clouds. Oh well, at least we can enjoy some cooler weather. And it's not raining right now. Right?
Traffic. Traffic sa probinsya. Tubo truck. And dong. 10-year-old dong.
Here in provincia, you do not need to be Here in the province, you do not need to be of legal age to drive a scooter.
Kanawa.
You just need to be able to reach. Dong will get squished.
Sige na dong. Sagad ba? Fire.
Fire!
Sige, so diri na kami niabot sa Canlaon. Layo man sa Don Salvador, pero kaulan dito, so diri na lang kami. O kauban na mo si, kita di ay?
Sindan.
Si?
Sindan.
Sindan?
Oh.
Mo ni si Sindan. So magtulo na mo kung asa ang usa ka natural na waterslide. Diri gid sa bukid. Kay taga diri man siya, di ba? Diri ka nadako.
Taga diri ko.
Unya astig ang waterslide.
Oo.
Pero karon basin kusog kayo kay dagan ulan. Kaya gyapon.
Ah. Basta mag ulan ang bukid, mo kusog ang tubig diri.
Oo, kusog kayo.
Oo.
Pero makaslide gyapon ta.
Oo.
Hindi man delikado.
Dili.
Dili man. Tanawa, grabe ka nindot dire. Hinahinay. Kumusta? Mag-slide ka? Mag-slide?
Ha?
Mag-slide? Dili ka?
Diri akong balay.
Ah, ano yung balay mo?
Oh, diya.
Mag-slide ta sa natural na water slide ba?
Oh,
Sa Busay.
okay.
Ayos. Okay kayo. Sige bye. So, asa ta mag-solo sa tubig?
Ano?
Diya mag-start?
Oh, diya.
Hindi ka hotdog?
Dili, kayo na dito, boss.
Maligaw mo? Kamera? Daw kuyaw man?
Kusog ng tubig ko?
Kusog tubig? Pwede gyapon? Tugnaw lang. Pero safe man. Limpyaw tubig. Hotdog man ko. Sige, Zoe na bahala sa video. Grabe akong buhok oh. Oo. Sige, so murag ako ra solo sa tubig, so good luck. Let's go. Looks painful.
Do it! I'm not gonna. Woo! 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 Woohoo! Oh no! He's drowning!
Grabe. Interested? Woo! Almost finished. Dili nang gutob. Saktora. Refreshing. Dang, I think you need to try it.
I don't think so. I saw you go under.
Oh, after every drop, you just go. I think you should try it.
I don't want to.
If you thumbs up this video right now, Ma'am Joey will try it. Makulat ko.
Diko! Diko.
They already thumbs up the video. Let's go! Sige, so sa babaw sa slide na ay sa kaliguan nandaw. So dito may padung karon. Tara. Sige, so dili lang liguanan pero na ay busay di ay. So mao ni siya, syempre sa akong likod. So si Zoe wala siya na slide kay sige siya masamad basta may slide.
I always get injured and I don't really feel like that.
Pero i-like yapon ang video palihog kay dako siya natabang sa among video. Pero kung i-subscribe niyo basin mo ambak siya.
Huh? I'm back there.
Ambak.
It's like 3 feet deep.
Ligo ta.
I just want your attention, please. Anything to get back my feet.
Sige, so ingon nila na ang water slide tungod na ay lava sa una kay syempre diri sa Canlaon ang usa ka dakon na volcan. So sa unang na panahon na ay lava mao gani na slide karon. Facts by Kaloy.
Thank you, Mother Nature.
Thank you. Pero ayaw i-wrap karon na adlaw.
Please.
Wait lang. Carl, para sa ang shampoo. Humot. Para pas na slide. Sige. Shampoo pa. Alright, Zoe, what's going down?
I found out that they have Rottweilers here.
We have to explain where we are.
Oh,
and,
sorry, yes. So we're staying with our friends, the Bautistas, in Canlaon. We met them when we lived in Dumaguete. And they have told us that they have Rottweilers and a Malinois and an Aspin. So of course I have to go see the Rotties.
The one jumping?
Juice now.
Boy.
Juice inside.
Hello? Sige, Ma'am Joey, asa ta karon?
We are at
Mount?
Mayon. Mount Mayon. No, we're in the Mount Mayon of Canlaon, which is actually not Mount Canlaon. It is a viewpoint. We are overlooking a viewpoint here in Canlaon. So we thought we'd end this vlog on a high. It's not any better the second time I said it.
I'll put like some laughing background so it'll make it funny.
So we thought we'd end this vlog on a high. Comment below if you think that's funny.
Alright, anyways, we're gonna wrap this up. We're gonna get some hot chocolate.
Yes,
Um,
it's a little tidbit nipply here in Canlaon.
Diri sa bukid. You can see San Carlos in the background. Shout out sa mga taga San Carlos. Ayo. Pero, diri mo man ang vlog. Salamat sa pagtanaw.
Og, amping mo tanan. Bye!
Please like this video.
We have some very exciting stuff coming up as well, so see you there.
Ayo, ayo, amping pirmi sa inyong paglakaw, kadatikang